In this video today, I will show you how to fix Messenger isn't responding. See this error? Don't worry, I will fix it. Please follow my method step by step. First, go to Mobile Settings. Scroll down here. Click Apps. Now again scroll down here and find Messenger. Let me tell you something in the middle. If any of you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Now click Messenger option. Click Storage. Now delete Clear Data and Clear Cache. Now update Messenger from Play Store. I already have the update. Now open Messenger. Now click Save button. Click Not Now. Now click Add 5 friends. Look, my problem is already solved. I hope you understand how to solve it.